Welcome to the meditation teacher training course, the module 1. It will be an enlightening journey, of meditation and learning about all techniques and practices, how to learn more to help yourself, but also to learn a lot about how to help others who are spiritual and not spiritual alike. Yes, your friends, your family, they don't have to be spiritual to benefit from many of the practices and advices that you will be able to give them after completing this course. So this course is a gift for everyone to share, for all your family, friends, your clients, your students, and everyone else you may meet anywhere and who would be open to receive a deeper message or a useful advice for them to make their lives better. So this is one of the key intentions of the course. And of course, the highest intention of this course is to assist others in awakening, in awakening of their higher consciousness, also known as spiritual awakening. And later on, we will go into a lot more detail about this awakening and why it is so important and so special. Course, you will learn what you need to know in a greater depth about these meditations. Because even if some of you have already tried some of those meditations, but you will learn more in depth, or what you should know to be able to guide that meditation. So you will have more background, more information about each of those points that we have discussed.
Welcome everyone. I'm delighted to share with you the remarkable benefits that await you upon this course. So I will mention a few points about the benefits of participating in this course. So first and foremost, you will attain a certification from us, the New Humanity Divine Marga, as a meditation teacher and spiritual life coach, and that will empower you with the necessary skills and knowledge to guide others on their spiritual journey. You will also learn the art of skillful guided meditations, and you will be provided with the teachings of Light Attunements, and these will help you with the attunements of the inner light, higher self, inner love, and unity consciousness. This will allow you to facilitate profound inner experiences and openings to the participants along your journey. We offer unwavering support and guidance to the participants on their spiritual paths, assisting them in overcoming obstacles and to find clarity on their soul journey. You will also develop the ability to identify the key blockages of consciousness, enabling you to help others identify and release the limiting beliefs. You will learn how to provide private sessions, how to create a safe space and nurturing space for the participants to explore their inner selves, to heal and transform. You will also establish a vibrant community of like-minded people where you can foster connections and expand and open up for new collaborations that will further uplift the collective consciousness of humanity. So sharing your profound knowledge and light with others will contribute in the highest ways to benefit all beings and create a ripple of light across the world. So participating in this course is a special opportunity to make a profound difference in the lives of others and contribute to the collective elevation of consciousness and embracing the transformative journey and unlocking the true potential as a spiritual guide and being of a catalyst for the change. The curriculum of this Module 1 course. So we will view and learn about the levels of consciousness and the different LOCs, the cycles of LOCs, the categories, and what it is, the spiritual awakening. We will focus on inner light and various meditations that support the awakening and the attunement of the light itself. The higher self, key obstacles, the meditations and mantras. You will receive an initiation introducing about this level of consciousness and the various meditations that are related, alongside with the introduction of the Ascended Masters such as Kuan Yin, Saint Germain, and their profound flames that we work with. We have the unity consciousness, once again having the meditations in relation to that, supporting someone to open to the unity consciousness and learning about setting of the space, the clearing, the protection, and the connecting with guides. You will have kinesiology, learning about testing methods, rules and procedures, and practices for you to learn about kinesiology. You will learn about the quantum brain and how it has this immense capacity, and you learn meditations and various other topics in relation to the quantum brain, about the Amrita Nadi, about the awakening of the soul with the specific mantras that we use and other additional meditations that support the Amrita Nadi opening. The introduction to meditation, the beginner's guides, how to gain control of thoughts, how to practice the body scan, how to neutralize negative emotions. So here you learn one-pointed concentration meditations, centering the mind, mini practices, and much more. 5 Tibetan rites and their benefits, the demonstrations, and all the explanations related. Another part is emotional intelligence, emotional work, mindfulness, and EFT, and how to learn how to let go, how to do mindful practices, also Vipassana introduction, and emotional inquiry and other techniques that will support you to do that. The path of love and letting go practices. So here you will learn about the 12 states of the heart, you learn about heart meditations and transforming fears into love, practices of self-love and deeper acceptance, breath of life. Here you will learn about kriyas and pranayamas and techniques to gain the life force energy. You will also have an initiation by Mahavatar Babaji as the human energy system, where you will learn about the 7 chakras, about opening and balancing, about healing and aura cleansing. We'll learn about the Kundalini force, the Kundalini attunements. It's about the nervous system and its capacity, and also the ways how we can heal our nervous system, how we can strengthen the nervous system, and how we can ground the higher energies through the nervous system. In Enneagram, you will learn about the 9 types of the different types of Enneagram. That's a nice guide and explanation about this topic. And high vibrational health. You will learn about the alkaline diet, alkaline food, fasting, nutritional supplements, and health for the nervous system as well. And last but not least is the life coaching structure, how to hold the space, how to be present, how to structure a private session, and more information, more knowledge about life coaching essentials. These are an overview of these topics that are in relation to Module 1 TTC.